Hi, I'm Melody and welcome to my channel, Plantastic. Today's topic is Worm Composting 101. Part 1. What is worm composting? Okay, so let's start with the benefits of having a worm compost bin. Number 1. You'll produce less trash because you'll compost your biodegradables. Plus, since most of your food scraps will be composted, your trash will stink less. Did you know that landfills are overcrowded and therefore don't allow for oxygen and microbes to break down biodegradable items very easily? So, even if something is biodegradable, if it's thrown in the trash, it biodegrades extremely slowly and could also get mixed with toxic trash and poison the soil. Number 2, you'll get free super nutritious fertilizer for your plants. They really love this stuff. So what is this magical fertilizer? It's usually called worm castings or vermicast. Simply stated, it's worm poop. The worms eat through food scraps and produce poop that is super rich in nutrients. My plants grow like crazy when I add this compost to their soil. The bin might also create worm juice or worm tea with any excess liquid. It's also lovingly named liquid gold by plant lovers. This liquid fertilizer contains billions of beneficial microbes and when diluted with water will make your plants very happy and healthy. You might be wondering, does the worm compost bin smell? And the answer is no, it doesn't. With proper care, you won't notice any odors. At most, it smells a little earthy, a bit like dirt, but that's about it. Worm bins are super easy to set up, don't take up too much space, and once you have a mature worm bin, you can harvest the compost once a month. Part 2. Setting up your worm compost bin. I use an upward migration worm bin that has multiple trays, but you can also make one using a large storage container with drilled air and drainage holes. The idea is that you put food in the top tray and the worms crawl upward through the holes to eat. Then you harvest the finished compost when it's ready from the bottom tray. I'll include a link to the upward migration worm bin and any other products that I use in the description box if you're interested. It is an affiliate link, so I'll get a small commission if you end up buying it. So how do you set up a worm bin? You'll want half a brick of compressed coconut coir, some shredded newspaper, some pumice, and some rock minerals or crushed eggshells. All of this came with the upward migration worm bin that I bought, but you can always buy them separately. They usually sell coconut coir in 1.5 pound bricks. When you add water to the brick in a bowl, it will slowly expand and start to break apart. Just keep adding water and mixing until the coir is moist but not soaking wet. Then add 2 handfuls of shredded newspaper, a couple scoops of pumice, and a tablespoon of minerals. Mix it up and the bin is ready for your worms. Once you add your worms, cover the mix with a damp newspaper to keep the bin moist. Let them rest and rehydrate for 2 to 3 days before starting to give them food. I ordered my red wrigglers worms from UncleJim'sWormFarm.com and they were shipped to me happy, healthy, and alive. If your worm bin is healthy, you won't ever need to repurchase worms because they'll just keep reproducing in your bin. Put your worm bin in a cool, shady place. Avoid anywhere that gets direct sunlight or gets too warm. Their ideal temperature is between 40 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure the inside of the worm bin doesn't get too wet or too dry. If you have a similar bin to the one I have, you can just leave the spout open and let any excess liquid drain. Thanks for watching! If you want to know what to feed your worms, check out the next video in the series. Don't forget to like this video if it's helpful and subscribe for more plant-related content.